Well, hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. It's Wednesday, December 27th, right between Christmas and New Year's, and I'm looking for something I can build that would be pretty quick. I can get done maybe before the end of the year. I was going through my stash and I found this older snap-tight kit. It was issued in 2012 originally, and it's a nice little Revell kit, the Corvette 63 Stingray Coupe with a split window. It comes molded in color. It's kind of an orangey red with, it's hard to see maybe here, but it's got a very fine gold, sort of a gold flake in it. I don't think I'm going to leave it that color. I'm still trying to decide what color I want. It's got the tires, the two metal axles and screws, the rear tail light panel. The chrome tree has the rims, the bumpers, side stripes for the rocker panels, dash. Oh, that's a rear bumper, okay, and gauges, detail, and a shifter. The interior and the chassis are all molded in black. Chassis is all molded in exhaust and so forth, all molded on. So it's a pretty quick build, and it all pushes together, which is kind of nice because once I paint things, it's less handling. Everything just pops into place without glue or fingerprints, so that'll work out nice and hopefully pretty quick. I can leave the chassis black and just detail paint that. The interior tub is black also. I'll probably want to change that. I'll prime it with a lighter color and then paint it whatever base color I want. And the seats, steering wheel, seat backs, and dash. So that's about it. Oh, there's the window clear part there. So that's about it. Not much in the kit. It should go together quickly. It's just a matter of choosing colors. That's once I have an idea where this is going, then I can begin. So I'm going to do a little bit of research, pick out a color for the interior and exterior, and hopefully we'll be off to the races. So stay tuned for further updates. One more thing before I go. I forgot the decal sheet here. It's actually stickers, peel and stick. They're not water slide on these snap kits, so that's if you're a little careful with them, it should go on. You only get one chance usually to place them on. You can't slide them around. So there's a few logos there and flames and air vents for the hood, and so I'll try and get some of those on depending on the color and so forth. So I just wanted to get that into the video before I forgot. Okay, first progress report. I've got the wheels and tires pressed on here. They come with the metal axle, metal rod. So I put it onto one tire, press the rims into the tires, put the rod through onto one tire, and then put it through the chassis onto the other tire. And they're very hard to get together. So what I had to use was one of these mini clamps here. I put that over each tire and then just squeeze it, press it together like that, and that just clamps it on real tight. You can't do it by hand, it's almost impossible. So it popped right on. I've hand painted the chassis here, the linkages and the exhaust pipes, mufflers, the transmission, and bottom of the engine. These are all just molded in. So I've just painted those on, hand painted those. The interior tub, I think I'm just going to leave black. The colors I've chosen are for the interior is going to be Craft Smart Craft Acrylic and the Fawn, light tan, and a gold, King's Gold metallic for the body. And over here I've got the body and the interior seats, interior door panels, and dash just in white primer. So when that's dry and settles in, and maybe tomorrow I'll begin airbrushing on those colors. Not a lot of parts, and it just pushes together and then with a couple of screws and through the chassis everything holds together. Like I say, it comes with with stickers with flames and that, but I don't think I'll be using those for this build anyway. So stay tuned for further updates.